Hi, I'm Dave Chappell, Vice President and Chief Technologist for SOA at Oracle, and welcome to Oracle Whiteboard. What I'd like to talk about today is a very popular customer use case which highlights how application grid technology can be used together with SOA techniques to help improve response times for users while also alleviating stress and strain on back-end systems. This particular use case is an application that salespeople use to gather information about their customers that they want to go sell to or market to. In the old architecture of this application and in the new architecture, there's a variety of back-end systems that need to be consulted in order to get the information that the salespeople need. And so therefore there is a BEEPL orchestration that coordinates the interaction between those two back-end systems. Now, one of those calls to the back-end systems goes through an MQ queue, which happens to be front-ending a mainframe, and that one call alone can often take up to 3 seconds. And if you have in a portal environment where 3 seconds or less is all you have for the entire round-trip experience, spending that much time in just one of the back-end systems can be deadly. So what the new architecture does is it uses caching as part of the application grid technology to cache the results from that service call. So they still take the hit once, but they don't take it 10 times every time the user clicks the next button through the 10 pages of data. So what's unique about this is how they're using that, though, is they are using service level interfaces rather than dropping down the low level APIs. They wrote a reusable Java-based caching service that is plugged in at the BEEPL process level. So they're using visual declarative modeling tools to specify behavior for a back-end service call without having to go back and retool the original services. In this case, the capability that they're adding is caching. Thanks for joining me today and learning about the service result cache pattern, and stay tuned for more Oracle Whiteboard sessions.